Landing in Japan for the first time should feel like stepping into a dream. Cherry blossoms, neon-lit alleys, peaceful temples. But that magical feeling can disappear fast if key essentials are missing. A dead phone, an empty wallet at a cash-only ramen shop, or shivering in the cold because you assumed Tokyo in March meant spring weather. That's where this updated 2025 guide comes in. With tourism booming and new travel technologies emerging fast, old packing lists are no longer enough. This video will walk through 20 must-have items that can save your trip, from smart IC cards and refillable bottles to the smartest way to stay connected online. These are not just things to bring. They're the difference between a smooth, memorable experience and one filled with small frustrations. Let's dive into what you need to pack to travel smart, stay connected, and enjoy Japan like a local with zero stress. Section 1. The non-negotiable essentials. Number 1. Valid passport. Photocopies and digital backups. A valid passport is your ticket in and out of Japan. But that's just the beginning. In 2025, many travelers are now required to present digital versions of their identity at automated gates and check-ins. That means it's wise to keep encrypted digital backups of your passport in a secure cloud service, such as Google Drive or an encrypted file locker. Printed photocopies are also useful, especially in emergencies where your original document might be lost or stolen. Having a copy can speed up the replacement process at your country's embassy. And for travelers from select countries, Japan's new e-visa system is now in effect. So check online to confirm whether your visa can be processed digitally before flying. Number 2. Travel insurance documentation. Unexpected illnesses, accidents, or lost items can turn a dream vacation into a financial nightmare. Medical care in Japan is excellent, but it comes at a cost, and not every hospital is equipped to process international insurance easily. Thankfully, many hospitals in larger cities now participate in cashless networks for insured travelers. To take advantage of this, bring both a printed copy and a digital copy of your insurance policy. Make sure the document includes a clear list of coverage and a contact number for claims assistance. It's a small step that could save thousands in unexpected expenses. Number 3. Credit cards. Cash, yen, and currency strategy. Japan has come a long way with cashless payments. In 2025, apps like PayPay and Mobile Suica, integrated into Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, are widely accepted at convenience stores, restaurants, and even vending machines. But here's the catch. Many smaller businesses, local markets, and traditional eateries still operate on a cash-only basis. It's essential to carry a backup amount of Japanese yen, around 10,000 to 30,000 yen depending on your itinerary. The best place to withdraw is from 7-bank ATMs, which are foreign card-friendly and available inside nearly every 7-Eleven store across the country. Bring at least one internationally recognized credit card, Visa or MasterCard, for hotels and online bookings. Section 2. Tech gear that keeps you moving. Number 4. Universal power adapter and voltage check. Japan uses Type A plugs and operates on 100 volts. If you're coming from North America, your plugs may fit, but voltage differences still matter. Devices like laptops, smartphones, and cameras usually handle 100 to 240 volts. But personal care tools such as hair dryers or electric razors may underperform or fail. In 2025, more Japanese hotels, especially chain business hotels, now offer USB-C and USB-A charging ports directly in the walls. That's helpful, but not universal. Bring a compact universal adapter to ensure compatibility, especially if you'll be staying in traditional inns or rural accommodations. Number 5. Portable charger, power bank. Modern travelers rely on their phones for everything: maps, translation, bookings, photography, which means running out of battery can lead to stress, especially on long day trips. A power bank is no longer optional. Choose one that's under 27,000 milliamp hours to comply with airline rules. Anything larger may not be allowed on board. For convenience, carry it in your hand luggage. And here's something new. In 2025, travelers in Tokyo, Kyoto, And Osaka can rent portable chargers from smart lockers at train stations, shopping malls, and even Lawson convenience stores via mobile apps. But bringing your own is still the smartest bet. Number 6. SIM card or eSIM and pocket Wi-Fi. Staying connected in Japan has never been easier or more confusing if you're unprepared. In 2025, the fastest and most convenient option is to use an eSIM. Services like AirRalo, UBG, and Nomad allow travelers to activate data plans instantly upon landing. No waiting in lines or fiddling with physical SIM cards. If your phone isn't eSIM compatible, renting a physical SIM at the airport or using a pocket Wi-Fi device remains a solid alternative. Pocket Wi-Fi is especially helpful for families or groups, as multiple devices can connect simultaneously. But for solo travelers, eSIM is the lightest, fastest way to go. Section 3. Comfort and hygiene on the go. Number 7. Reusable water bottle. Japan is making big moves towards sustainability. One noticeable change in 2025 is the increasing availability of water refill stations at major train stations and tourist areas, especially in Tokyo, Osaka, and Kanazawa. Bringing a reusable water bottle helps you stay hydrated on the go while reducing plastic waste. Tap water in Japan is clean and safe to drink, though the mineral content may taste slightly different depending on the region. Consider a bottle with a built-in filter if you're sensitive to taste or traveling to rural areas. Number 8. Medications and toiletries. Japanese pharmacies are well stocked and clean, but navigating them without Japanese language skills can be a challenge. Labels are mostly in Japanese, and even over-the-counter medication may require a pharmacist's explanation. It's wise to bring all prescription medicines you need in their original packaging, along with a printed note from your doctor, if applicable. Also include general travel medications like motion sickness pills, antacids, and mild pain relievers. Consider packing a multilingual medical information card, especially helpful during emergencies. As for toiletries, most hotels provide the basics. But if you prefer a specific shampoo, skincare product, or toothpaste, pack travel-size versions. This is especially important for travelers with allergies or sensitive skin. Number 9. Neck pillow and eye mask. Long-haul flights. Flights to Japan from the US to South Australia or Europe typically last between 10 and 14 hours. That's a long time to spend upright, especially if flying economy. A neck pillow with good support can make a world of difference. In 2025, many travelers are switching to inflatable memory foam hybrids that pack small but still offer comfort. An eye mask and noise-canceling earbuds or headphones can also improve your rest and reduce jet lag. For those who need extra comfort, inflatable footrests, now permitted by several airlines, help improve circulation during long flights. Section 4. Packing smart for the weather. Number 10. Layered clothing for seasonal swings. Japan's weather is famously unpredictable, especially during spring and autumn, where temperature swings between morning and night can catch travelers off guard. The key to staying comfortable is layering. Lightweight jackets and cardigans are ideal for spring, especially paired with allergy masks as pollen season intensifies each year. In summer, expect humidity and heat, UV protective sleeves, quick drying shirts, and cooling towels can be lifesavers during outdoor sightseeing. Autumn can surprise with sudden rain and cool breezes, so thermal innerwear and a rainproof jacket work best. Winter in northern regions like Hokkaido can be harsh, so prepare with heat packs and Uniqlo to signature heat tech clothing, trusted by locals and travelers alike for compact warmth without bulk. Regardless of the season, always check Japan's regional forecast before departure, as climate can differ significantly between cities. Number 11. Foldable umbrella or rain poncho. Weather apps might show clear skies, but Japan's pop-up showers can appear suddenly, especially in cities like Kyoto and Hiroshima. Bringing a small, foldable umbrella or a compact rain poncho helps you stay dry without relying on convenience store options, which, while cheap, tend to be bulky and disposable. A lightweight umbrella with UV protection can serve dual purposes. shade in the sun, and shelter in the rain. Most airlines allow foldable umbrellas in carry-ons. But always confirm with your carrier to avoid last-minute surprises at the gate. Number 12. Compact towel or handkerchief. In Japan, public restrooms are clean, but not always fully stocked. Some may lack paper towels or hand dryers altogether. Especially in train stations or older temples, a small towel or handkerchief is more than just a cultural item, it's practical. Locals often carry one daily, especially during the sweltering summer months. Whether you're wiping your hands, dabbing sweat, or cleaning up after a spontaneous treat from a street vendor, a compact towel fits the moment perfectly and takes up almost no space in your bag. Section 5. Daily Travel Companions. Number 13. Small day bag, zippered. With your suitcase safely at the hotel, you'll need a reliable day bag for exploring. A compact crossbody bag or anti-theft sling is ideal, especially one with multiple compartments and zippered closures. In 2025, RFID blocking travel pouches are increasingly common and offer discreet protection against digital skimming. Avoid open totes or bags with magnetic snaps, as pickpocketing, while rare in Japan, can happen in busy tourist zones or crowded trains. Choose a bag that's comfortable for long wear and durable enough for spontaneous day trips or shopping detours. Number 14. IC Transit Card, Suica. Pasmo. Iko. The most convenient way to get around Japan is with an IC card. In 2025, these cards have evolved. You can now load Suica or Pasmo directly into Apple Wallet or Google Wallet before even arriving in Japan. Once topped up, they let you access trains, subways, buses, vending machines, and even convenience stores with just a tap. No more deciphering ticket machines or calculating fare zones. If you're landing at Narita, Haneda, Kansai, or Chubu airports, IC cards can still be purchased physically at kiosks. But the mobile version is a game changer. Just ensure your phone is fully charged before heading out. Number 15. Travel folder or app for bookings. Digital bookings are the norm. But don't underestimate the value of printed confirmations. Whether it's a rural ryokan or a limited entry attraction like Ghibli Park, having both paper and digital versions of your reservations can prevent unnecessary hassle, especially when language barriers arise. Apps like Notion or Google Drive can organize your itinerary, while screenshots of QR codes ensure access even without Wi-Fi. In 2025, some attractions require QR-only entry, so be prepared. Organizing everything into a dedicated travel folder, both physical and digital, helps keep your journey smooth from check-in to check-out. Section 6. Smart Navigation Tools. Number 16. Offline Map App and Translation App. Google Maps still works well in Japan, but NaVTime has become a go-to app for detailed transit navigation, including real-time train schedules and platform numbers. It's especially handy when using private rail lines or transferring between different rail networks. Language barriers may persist in rural areas or family-run establishments. That's where translation apps shine. In 2025, DeepL Translate is now considered more accurate and natural-sounding than Google Translate for Japanese, especially in written form. For spoken conversations, having both apps installed with offline data pre-downloaded ensures you're never lost for words. Number 17. Japan Travel Guide App or Mini Booklet. Wi-Fi doesn't always reach the mountains or the subway tunnels. A compact travel guidebook or an offline-friendly app like Japan Official Travel App or DIG Japan ensures access to must-know tips. Even without a signal, these apps cover everything from etiquette guides to emergency contacts and cultural notes, if visiting the countryside or participating in a homestay. A pocket phrasebook is a welcome addition. Even a few polite Japanese phrases can open doors to warmer hospitality and smoother conversations. Section 7. Shopping and Space Savers. Number 18. Suitcase with expandable compartments. Packing light is wise, but leaving space is wiser. Japan is a treasure trove of souvenirs, ceramics, handmade stationery, limited edition snacks, and even fashion. In 2025, Train overhead racks in most express services accommodate mid-size suitcases. So choose luggage that balances portability with capacity. Look for brands like Proteka or Samsonite Japan, which now offer lightweight models specifically sized for Japanese rail travel. An expandable zipper section can be a lifesaver when your return flight includes last-minute finds from Don Quixote or Tokyu Hands. Number 19. Collapsible Eco Bags. Plastic bag restrictions are now standard nationwide, and most convenience stores charge a few yen per bag. Instead of collecting single-use plastics, pack 2 or 3 reusable tote bags or collapsible shopping sacks. They're useful not just for groceries or souvenirs, but also as overflow for jackets, umbrellas, or snacks during the day. Many even fold into palm-sized pouches and can be clipped onto your day pack. Number 20. Spare space and compression bags. Compression bags, whether zip or vacuum seal, are essential if you plan on buying clothes or textiles in Japan. They reduce bulk significantly and help organize your suitcase on the return leg. Just be sure to pack a few empty ones if you're eyeing a kimono, yukata, or bulkier souvenir items. And remember, certain goods like fresh food, some over-the-counter medications, and specific electronics may be restricted from export. Always double-check your airlines and country's import regulations to avoid last-minute headaches at customs. Japan is a destination that blends deep tradition with cutting-edge convenience, and your packing should reflect that balance. Whether you're heading for Tokyo's electric nights or Kyoto's peaceful temples, tailor this list to your season, destination, and personal travel style. As a bonus, consider bringing a small gift from your home country, especially if you'll be staying in a family-run inn or participating in a local experience. It doesn't need to be extravagant, just a thoughtful gesture that can build connection. Before you zip up that suitcase, go through this list one more time, bookmark it, check off the essentials, and make sure you're truly ready, not just for the journey, but for the experience of a lifetime. Now go enjoy Japan to the fullest and travel smart in 2025.